It's Panna Cotta time! Hi everyone and welcome to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena and yes, today we are making Panna Cotta, my all-time favorite dessert. If I knew it was going to be so easy, I would have definitely made it more often. I've just added approximately 500 milliliters of pouring cream, fresh cream, into my saucepan. You can even use heavy cream. I'm also adding about 5 tablespoons of sugar. This is normal granulated white sugar. And we're going to mix it up, and we want all of those grains of sugar to dissolve while the cream is warming up. And while we give it some time to warm up, I am going to mix up my gelatine mixture. So all I'm going to do is take 3 tablespoons of regular tap water. I've added it to my bowl. I then am going to add 2 teaspoons of my gelatine. This is the gelatine powder. And you can use agar. I think there are other options. Mix it up. And we're going to set it aside, ready to be added to our cream that's on the stove top. Checking the cream again. And once all of those grains of sugar has dissolved, I'm then going to add my vanilla essence. And you can just add a teaspoon of vanilla essence, that should be fine. If you have vanilla extract, that's even better. Add your vanilla essence, mix again. And by now, all of those grains of sugar would have completely dissolved. There you go, there's nothing on your spoon. We're ready to add our gelatine mixture. So it will be activated with the warm cream. You're going to add your mixture and then continue to mix. Again, we want it to completely dissolve into the mixture. So just a few minutes of mixing. And once it's completely dissolved, you can switch off your stove. And you can now start thinking about the ways you'd like to present your panna cotta. You can add it to one dish and then refrigerate overnight, or maybe do individual servings. I can totally see it in like martini glasses, beautiful little tot glasses with tiny spoons. There's so many ways of you presenting this beautiful dessert. Today I'm using normal glass dessert bowls, and because there's 4 of us in the family, these are going to be quite large portions per person. So my panna cotta is kind of warm at the moment. I still need it to cool down. So once it's cooled down completely in my dessert bowls, I'm then going to cling wrap each one individually. And once I've done that, I'm going to pop them into the fridge. And you can leave them overnight, but I think you need more or less 5-6 hours tops. And the next day, look how beautiful that is. You can top up with some beautiful berries. If you want to make a berry coulis, you can just mash up your berries and add some sugar to it. You can then drizzle on top and then pop it into the fridge for another hour, and then you're ready to indulge. This was a treat. I thoroughly enjoyed it because it was light and refreshing and delicious. All the ingredients used will be found in the drop-down description below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Kindly hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are welcome. Thank you so much for watching. This is Selena from Perima's Kitchen.